All right, so I'm on the south side of lot 38 right now, looking to the south. I'm gonna try to see if I could explain, exactly where I am and what this means here in relation to the house that will be built. So now I'm gonna pan around looking to the east, and this is another ranch home that's going in here. And so I'm kind of in line right now with the back side of the foundation, so the south foundation of that ranch house next door, which will be roughly what it's going to be for this house, the Adler, that's getting built on lot 38. So right where I'm standing right now is essentially going to be the back side of the patio and the back side of the house for the Adler here in lot 38, which is available. So this property right here is going to be a 2-story, and so what you'll notice is that's their backyard, and you actually have a nice view corridor from the patio. I'm standing right where you would be at the patio, and you'd have this view corridor, which obviously you don't see much in the way of the mountains there, but you do feel like you don't have someone right on top of you that's staring right back at you all the time. You actually have a nice buffer here between the back side of your house and the yards on the other houses, if that makes sense. So there's kind of a large dirt pile here, so they're just moving it around right now. This elevation on this one is going to be about 5 feet off the ground on the front side of the property, which is a lower elevation than the back side. It kind of slopes upward toward the back, and so it'll step off nicely without being too high coming out of off the back patio. So anyway, I just wanted to be able to show you this so you can get a feel for what it would look like. And so right now I'm right where you'd be looking for the back patio. And then for the interior side, I'm going to scoot over here to the west. And for the interior, for the grand windows that you'll be looking through out of the family room area, that's going to look like this. So again, right in alignment with this view corridor. So you don't feel like the other houses are right on top of you, which is pretty nice. And what I'm pointing at right now is Long's Peak right there. But you would see Long's Peak from the backyard, but it's kind of like that peekaboo view where it's really just kind of the top tip of it over the roof line of what's now that model home. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. It's kind of a little bit cloud cover back there, so it's hard to see. In any case, I just wanted to be able to show you, to me, this is the premium lot that's remaining, and doing my best to kind of give you a good idea as to what it would be like. You really can't get much, of course, from this angle. So that's all.